Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? So possibly you want to remove the cat icon from your Shopify Ritual theme and you don't know how to go about it. You want to move it from like this to this. In today's video, I'm going to put you through how to remove the Shopify cat icon from your header in your Ritual theme. Now let's go straight to the video. Tataria. Okay, so now you're gonna be in the page just like this. You want to come to your dashboard and or your backend or whatever one. You want to come to online store. You want to come to themes like this, and you want to hit on customize. I'm sure your Richard theme should already be there, so you want to go ahead. And the moment you hit on customize just like this, the next thing you want to do is simple. Just come here to your headers. Okay, once you come to header, you can see header right here. This one, not this big one. I mean, this one here. You click on that. And I want you to scroll down. Okay, go down, baby. Okay. And once you do that, I'm going to give you a single something that you're going to copy and paste right here. It's very simple. Right here is a code, all right? It's just copy and paste. This is something that anyone can do. Even my grandmama can do this, okay? So just copy this code right here and you paste. That's all. You're not changing anything or working on anything. So I'm going to paste that. And voila, you see, there is no longer a cat icon in the header. All right. So this is how you can do this. And the next thing you want to do is to hit on save and you're good to go. Okay. But sometimes some people are always like, oh no, Maverick, I don't want to paste in the custom CSS because I've got some code there and I don't want something to get tampered and all that. It's fine. I understand. Now, if you want to, maybe you don't want to use the custom CSS and you still want to hide your Shopify cart, okay, cart icon. There is another way you can do it, and that is by, you can see I've already removed the code, so it's now visible. You can go ahead, you can just go back a bit, then you don't even need to go back like that, but around this area that says yours, we just show Ritual, okay, so I already updated it, that's why it's showing updated copy. So you want to click this part here, okay, this three dotted line, you want to click that, and you want to click on edit code. So while the code is still loading, we're just going to come back to this doc file here, which I'm also going to give to you. And you want to scroll down to this part that says to hide it using base. So you're just going to copy this short code here. Now it's still copy and paste. Okay. You're not clicking or, putting something inside anything. It's just copy paste. So now I am now back in the editor, okay, and once I click down here, this Ritual, whatever you see here, yours can be Ritual, updated copy of Ritual, whatever, just click that. Then you want to come here to base.css, okay, you want to click that. The moment you click that, you're gonna land here, okay, in the base.css, and I want you to scroll down, go down, baby, go down. Yup. Yeah, so now the moment you go down, just go ahead and paste what you copied, okay, at the bottom, okay, the last part of the base.css, okay. So please make sure you're careful, don't tamper with anything, just scroll down and paste, and that is all. And the moment you do that, all right, just go ahead and click on save, all right. Now don't bother about this horizon theme or whatever, it is still going to be applicable to anything, all right, just leave it alone and go ahead, click on save. And once I go back, you can see it is no longer there. Okay, so this is exactly how you can remove in case you don't want to use the custom CSS. All right, so this is another nice way to do this. All right, and yeah, so now I'm giving you two ways that you can use to remove the cart icon from your Shopify store. All right, and another bonus trick that I'm also going to give to you today is using the custom liquid. So I can just easily remove this. Okay, I can remove this and I can click on save. Okay, and I can go back. It's, you see, it's now visible again, and we can use the custom liquid in the header aspect. We can click on add section and we can click on custom liquid, and we can click on it again, and we can come back to this doc file here, and we can actually use this one that says to remove using CL, which is custom liquid, and we can copy that. All right, and we can paste it. And right here, you see it's removed. All right. So this is another way that you can do this using the custom liquid. All right. So I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. Please subscribe to this channel so that you guys can encourage me to keep creating tutorials just like this for you guys. It's a way also to help me to keep doing this for you guys, and it wouldn't cost you anything. Thank you very much for subscribing, and also please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there that are looking for something just like this. And you can share this video also with your friend and family, and so that they can also learn from this. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video tutorial. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Please make sure that you take care of yourself, take care of your health. It's very important. So as you're striving to make money, please make sure you hit something good, stay fit, and look very well. Thank you. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.